Welcome. Managing invoices, payments, and client billing can become difficult without the right financial tools. That's where Invoice Ninja comes in. Invoice Ninja is a powerful invoicing platform designed to help freelancers, small businesses, and entrepreneurs create professional invoices, track payments, and manage client billing from one centralized system. With features for recurring invoices, payment tracking, and expense management, businesses can simplify their billing process and maintain better financial organization. Let's get started. Before diving into the features, it is important to understand the two installation options available with Invoice Ninja. The first option is the cloud version, which is the easiest way to get started. Offers a free tier with some limitations, such as fewer invoice templates and limited client management options. However, it is perfect for small scale operations. If you need more flexibility, you can upgrade to the premium tier for $10 per month or $100 per year, unlocking additional features. The second option is the self-hosted version, which gives you complete control over your invoicing system. This option allows you to install Invoice Ninja on your own server or use a cloud provider, giving you full access to all features without limitations. You only pay for the hosting service. Installation methods include direct download, using Docker for a streamlined deployment, or using LCO, which simplifies the setup process. To demonstrate how easy it is to install Invoice Ninja, let's walk through the LCO deployment process. First, visit is.io and create an account or log in. Click on Deploy My First Service. Search for Invoice Ninja in the service catalog and select it. Choose your preferred cloud provider, Scaleway in this example, and select your region, such as France. Stick with the default service plan and choose free support. Click Create Service and wait for the deployment to finish. You will receive a confirmation email once your instance is ready. To access your instance, go to the LCO dashboard, copy the provided password, and log in using your email and password. Setting up and creating invoices. Once you are logged into your Invoice Ninja instance, you'll be guided through a brief onboarding process. During this setup, you'll enter your company name, choose a theme, light or dark mode, and select your language. You can specify your preferred currency and upload your company logo, which will be automatically included in your invoices. You can also add important business details, such as your VAT number, website email address, and industry. These details will automatically populate your future invoices, saving you time. Additionally, you can attach important documents, e.g., contracts or legal file, to your company profile, making them easily accessible at any time. After the initial setup, you can start adding clients. To do this, go to the Client section in the Invoice Ninja dashboard and click Add Client. Enter the client details, including their name, ID, VAT number, website, and contact information. All fields are optional, allowing you to fill in as much or as little information as needed. Once saved, you can quickly generate invoices, quotes, or projects for that client. Creating and managing invoices with Invoice Ninja is straightforward. To create a quote, simply set the date, validity period, and add a discount if applicable. Include the products or services with a description, quantity, and price. If you have configured tax rates, they will be applied automatically. The platform offers a real-time preview of your code, allowing you to see how it will appear to clients before sending it. Once saved, you can send the code via email, download it as a PDF, or convert it into an invoice or project with a single click. When managing invoices, you can easily update their status. You can mark invoices as sent or paid to keep your records accurate. The client portal allows your client to access their invoices and quotes online. This makes it easy for them to download past invoices or make Payments without having to contact you. When clients pay through the portal, the invoice status updates automatically. For offline payments, such as bank transfers, you can manually mark invoices as paid.automation, time tracking, and reporting. To save time on repetitive billing, you can create recurring invoices. This is especially useful for services that are billed monthly or annually, such as retainers or subscriptions. Simply set the frequency, and Invoice Ninja will automatically generate and send the invoices, reducing repetitive administrative tasks. In addition to invoicing, Invoice Ninja includes a time tracking feature which is particularly helpful. For freelancers and service-based businesses, you can start and stop the timer while working on a task or manually enter the time spent. After specifying your hourly rate, you can generate an invoice directly from the tracked time. This ensures accurate billing and makes it easy to track your time alongside your invoicing. Invoice Ninja also offers basic reporting features that allow you to monitor your business performance. You can view metrics on invoices, payments, and outstanding balances, and export reports in various formats for further analysis. In external tools like Metabase or Excel. Filters allow you to organize reports by date range, client, or status, making it easy to track your financial activities. For added convenience, Invoice Ninja offers a Mac desktop app with the same interface and functionality as the web version. This allows you to manage your invoicing directly from your computer without relying on a browser. The app supports both cloud-hosted and self-hosted versions, making it easy to switch between them. Thank you for watching this Invoice Ninja tutorial. Using an invoicing platform like Invoice Ninja can help businesses manage billing more efficiently, track payments accurately, and maintain better financial control. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials on business tools, invoicing software, and productivity platforms. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.